Terminator, you realize, of course, most cars do not do that on purpose.
Well, I gotta practice for my race. I'm a real racing car now.
The Rust Bucket Racerama, huh? Let me guess. Demolition Derby.
Yep, it's my favorite racing track in the whole world. Well, it's a family tradition. Look, there's my cousin Tommy Joe right there. New guy!
Ow! What are you, crazy?
He just done give you a hood butt. That's Tommy Joe's way of saying hey.
Howdy.
I got an idea. Lightning, you want to help us practice for our big race?
No, I think I'll sit this one out.
Me is like trying to get mud wet.
Holy shoot! Heads up, look out! Shoot! Hey, pardon my exhaust, but I got a bad case of engine run. See you later. Oh. Woo-hoo! Another dent. I can buff it out.
Woo, Bob!
Ooh!
Now this here's a party! Y'all looking at this?
Holy shoot! Another dent. I can buff that.
Woo, boy, howdy! Y'all looking at this? Look out, here I come!
Boy, that's good.
Woo, boy, howdy! Woo, boy, howdy!
Hey, watch the paint job, would you? Look at me!
Woo! Now this here's a...
Oh, yay! That gone.
Look out!
That gone. Shoot up, hurry, Bob. Whoa!
Yup!
Shoot!
Now this here's a party!
Another dent. I can buff it out.
Look out, here I come!
Whoa! Hey, need a tub? That gone. another dent. Racing is fun, 'cause I'm number one.
Woo! Now that's
Wow, Mater, I thought my races were rough. That was... You're missing a tooth.
I am? No, I didn't have no teeth there before. Hey, Lightning, I won you a present. Check this out. I know how you love this boosty stuff.
Wow, thanks, Mater. Hey, look, you didn't have to take all that abuse just for me, you know?
Abuse? That was fun. And besides, what are best friends for anyway?